Question 3 is, how does transmission what students? Transmission of each of the following disease takes place. So we have got amoebiasis, malaria, ascariasis and pneumonia. For amoebiasis and ascariasis, it is by ingesting a cyst of both these organisms. For malaria, a vector known as female Anopheles mosquito is a carrier which will cause malaria. And you can get pneumonia from a person coughing in front of you, or you can inhale it from a person who is infected with pneumonia. So let's see how you're supposed to write it. For amoebiasis, you're supposed to write by ingesting cyst of Entomoebia histolytica with water or food. The cysts are carried from feces of the patient to foods and drinks. Malaria is spread by malarial parasite known as Plasmodium. SP is for species. Species could be vivax or species could be falciparum, depending on what or which type of malaria a person is getting. Is transmitted from the infected to the healthy person by female Anopheles mosquito. This is important. Okay. Now, ascariasis. By injecting ascaris eggs with food or water, children become infected by ingesting soil. Okay, students? So, don't eat soil. Okay. This is just to remind how you're supposed to remember ascariasis. Pneumonia by the sputum or the droplets released during coughing of a patient. And that's how you can get contaminated with the diseases like amoebiasis, malariasis, ascariasis and pneumonia. Okay, so we are done with question number 3.